jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Oh, there was an accident right there. Damn. I just saw an accident. These guys just hit. Holy shit. Bad here. Look. Guys stuck over there. These guys hit. Oh, now they're arguing. Everybody's taking photos and videos. Saw this blue car basically kind of like sliding into it like this.
I braked.
Yeah, that's all I saw, and then I was like, oh shit, an accident.
But you guys pulled out in front of me, so I didn't know what to do because you were going to take a left right in front of me, and I couldn't stop.
We had our blinker on.
It's not a turning lane. You turn your blinker on way too late.
Honey, no,
I promise you, that's not a turning lane.
I'm not going to argue.
Is there any like damage on your guys' car?
Yeah, mine's.
Your car's messed up.
Mine's fucked.
Oh shit, man.
But
Oh yeah, you got pretty good there, dude. Yeah, I just don't know who was in the middle lane or
they
who
were
was
in the middle lane.
Oh.
They were trying to take the left under here. I was in the left lane.
You can plainly see we were ahead of you. That's where we're at.
Yeah,
That doesn't matter though.
Yes, it does. The person behind should have watched for the blinker run.
From the middle lane, you can't go straight into there. You can't do that from the middle lane.
We were not in the middle lane until you started to push us. I'm not trying to make you have a bad day. You have.
Okay, well. Alright, at this point I was like, I'm getting the heck out of here. Alright, I think those people are still arguing. Here comes the fire truck. Oh, here comes the cops.